Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've powered the Mini and opened the Google Home app. Now you start pairing. Make sure Bluetooth and location are on because the app scans nearby devices. Sign into the same Google account you want to use since account access links routines and settings. Tap the plus icon, choose Set up Device, and select New Devices in your home. Once done, the app will look for your Mini and show its ringing sound prompt. Follow those on-screen cues to confirm you're connecting the correct speaker. Once the app finds the Mini, you tap it, and you'll be asked to confirm by hearing a beep. This prevents wrong device setup. Next, choose the Wi-Fi network the Mini should use and enter the password on your phone so the speaker can access the internet. After it connects, the app prompts you to name the device and pick a room. This matters because Google uses room names for device grouping and context when you say commands like turn off the lights in the living room. To finish, run voice match so the Mini recognizes your voice and personalizes results. Test a few commands such as Hey Google, play music, and make sure your preferred music service is linked and set as default in the app. If something fails, first reboot the speaker and your phone, then rejoin Wi-Fi. If it still won't pair, factory reset the Mini with the long press method and retry setup. This step clears stubborn errors and ensures a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.